What's going on, guys? I want to talk to you today about a way that you can help replenish moisture, renew strength, and add shine to your hair at home with one of my favorites, ANZA Healing Oil Intensive Hair Mask. It's super easy to use. All you're going to do is shampoo your hair in the shower, towel dry, let this sit in for 5 to 20 minutes, rinse out, and then follow it up with a conditioner. Following it up with a conditioner is very important because you want that, this is a treatment, and you're gonna want that conditioner to help seal down that cuticle and lock in the protein, the moisture, and the minerals that you just put inside of it. Another great thing about this is it contains 4 wild-crafted oils that have a balanced ratio, fatty acid ratio. Why that is important is because if it did not have a balanced ratio, such as coconut oil, it can harden on your hair. It can discolor your hair. It can be hard to wash out. So that is why is it important to use something that's intended for your hair, not for your kitchen.